It's your boy T-Mac and our feature video for today is Raining Sorrow performs Raindrop live on the Wish USA bus. Yes, this is Raining Sorrow debut on the bus. So yeah, I've never heard of any Raining Sorrow track ever. Kasi yung kay Easy Mill nga, hindi ko pa matapos-tapos yung mga tracks niya para may picture dito sa ating video reaction, and iniwasan ko rin talaga na alam mo yun, mag-dig in sa mga tracks nila bago pa reaction video kasi I just want to have a genuine reaction kung ano maririnig ko, at kung ano maririnig ko yun din ang maririnig nyo, nasasabihin ko out of my kung ano magiging komento ko about sa isang track o isang music video. So anyway, huwag natin pahabain pa to, at bago yan, nais kong kumusta ng lahat, kumusta kayo, at sana'y lagi po kayong mag-iingat, be healthy, and sana bumalik na ang lahat sa ang dating normal. Tapos sana yung pandemya. And yeah, pakinggan na natin to, and gusto ko na talaga pakinggan to. Mahirap magtiis hanggat wala ka pang bakanting oras. So yeah, this time meron tayong bakanting oras, and I'll do it now.
Sunlight breaches through the room in a spectacle like in full bloom, and I wonder why can't I smile?
Tell me if you don't see Easy Mill on her. Look at her from chin to forehead up to hair. They are identical. Magkahawig na magkamukhang magkamukha talaga. And this is like a little female version of Easy Mill. But anyway, kay Raining Sorrow tayo. So yeah, back to Raining Sorrow. Napakaganda ng boses ng bata nito. And look at her, sa simula pa lang, she's full of emotion. Even her facial reaction and how she deliver every lyrics, mapipil mo sa kanya na she's really serious into it, and she want us to feel kung ano itong kanta niya. Ang galing.
1075.
Feels like I can't take no more. The curtains, I have shut them closed, 'cause I don't seem to like that happy life. They all say that they're gonna stay, but I know it's all a lie. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have a loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Grabe. Talagang nasa kanila na yung talent. This talent is genuine sa magkakapatid siguro. Pati from the father to the mothers, tapos itong mag-siblings na to. Grabe. Sana all. Ang ganda ng boses. Wala akong gaano masabi, pero isa lang. Na-try nyo ba pakinggan to na nakapikit kayo? Sobrang sarap pakinggan. Parang nagbubuo siya ng kwento sa isip mo habang pinapakinggan mo siya pag nakapikit ka. Try nyo yan. Ulitin nyo mamaya.
Feels like I've been shut inside a box where I can't see the light, and it don't seem that I want to get out. The people who have loved me so are in places that I do not know, and it don't seem that I really wanna shout. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling. My heart feels like an empty hole, a place where I cannot console feelings that I do not know. The person that I used to be is lost inside reality, and I wish that I did what I was told. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
Wish exclusive
I'm deep
on Wish
inside me,
1075.
and now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Wow! That was the most emotional debut I've ever heard on Wish Bus. Ever. Tagal na tayo nanonood ng Wish Bus USA o Wish Bus Philippines, but this is the most emotional one. Hindi basta-basta pagkakasulat. Sa batang edad na yun, hindi basta-basta kung magsulat. The way she's said every line, ibang-iba rin ang pag-deliver niya. Very emotional. Ramdam na ramdam ang pagkanta niya, and not to mention her facial expression every time na nag-aano siya ng kanta, every time nagbibitaw siya ng liriko niya. So much emotion. Sobra, at napaka-talented niya talaga, at alos wala lang masabi. Yan, subukan nyo, try nyo pakinggan na nakapikit, and iba talaga sa feelings na pinapakinggan siya. This is a very beautiful, emotional debut of Raindrop live on the Wish USA Bus. I know you guys like or love this so much, and alam ko na pakinggan nyo ng lahat to, but you guys are still waiting for the reactions to do a reaction on this music video, not on music video, on her performance on live on Wish USA Bus, para makita nyo rin kung ano ang magiging reaction ng mga reactors dito. But yeah, late na naman ako. This is the Late Light Show by T-Mac. At sana, yeah, maraming salamat sa inyo, pagtangkilik nyo palagi, sa patuloy nyo pagsuporta, at huwag po sana kayong magsasawa. And yeah, if you're new in this channel, please do subscribe, click that notification bell to keep you updated sa mga bago pang video na aking i-upload. Once again guys, I'm your boy T-Mac.